What up, fam? Today I am back in Detroit, Michigan on Belle Isle. We are checking out the conservatory / botanical gardens, as you can see behind me. I am here on a photo meetup with a bunch of other local creatives. I'm gonna follow them around and kind of see what it's like to be behind the scenes on a shoot like this. I'll also snap a few pics myself and just kind of take you through the process. How confident are you in this move right now?
Pretty confident.
All right, ready?
Emily?
Yep.
I'm leaning back. I hope I don't land on his face.
What's up, guys? I'm here with Erin Images on Instagram. I'll link all the socials below. And we're gonna get a tip from her that she wished she knew when she first started photography. So I'm gonna pass it off to her.
I wish somebody had told me that the gear doesn't make the photographer, that the photographer makes the photos, and that we are so consumed by what lenses we have, what bodies we have, all of those things. And at the end of the day, as long as you're creative and passionate and you want to make art, it doesn't really matter what you're using to make that art, as long as your heart and soul is in it. So I wish somebody would have told me that. I wouldn't have been so caught up in all of that drama and all of that stress, and I would have just made the art that I want. So.
That is a very good point. Very well said. What's one tip you wish you knew when you first started photography?
Honestly, the one thing I wish I'd known when I started was the amount of time it takes to actually get good. You gotta do it every day. If you have time, photograph everything. Don't get set into one rut, like whether it be portraits or landscapes or cityscapes. Learn as much as you can and then find your groove after that.
I think that's a great piece of advice. It's good to be well-rounded, so when you do get approached with job opportunities, you can say yes to them without being limited to one specific thing. You'll know how to do everything, and you can kind of go from there and then become specific in what you do.
For sure, absolutely. My pleasure.
All right, I am here with Emily. I'll link her socials below. What is one tip you wish you knew when you started photography?
So what I wish I knew when I started photography would be how much time I need to spend in front of the camera to really get a good idea of like directing, really get a good idea for how my models felt too. Keeping that in mind is great for keeping open communication and making sure that that trust is built when you're really getting the shot. Because I typically direct my models to do ridiculous things. And it's hard for them to trust me without me being able to reflect that in my directing or to even model it myself for them. So spending a lot of time in front of the camera is a good way to go on getting that experience.
It's a great tip. Thank you so much. I'm here with Nick. I'll link his socials below. And what's one tip you wish you knew when you started photography?
I think just to experiment and have fun. I found that going through it, I kind of lost the fun aspect as I got more deep into the aperture ISO, and so just experimenting with, I do films of soaking it in wine, using cellophane wrap, just to kind of push yourself and just have a lot of fun.
Great tip. Thank you very much. I'm here with Jasen. I'll link his socials below. What's one tip you wish you knew when you started shooting photography?
Shoot film.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, that's a wrap on the photo session. Here with some of the crew, the remaining crew, the real ones, you know who you are. And we're gonna grab some food at Cat Soup.
Bye.